Welcome, retail fam, MW over here. We're gonna do a vid today about that Polkadot ecosystem. I've done one like weeks ago, and I'm going to do one today. I'm going to explain why I am the most bullish on the Polkadot ecosystem for the coming weeks. So I'm very bullish on the ETH ecosystem, but also on the Polkadot ecosystem. And I will explain you guys why. And I will also explain you guys what I'm going to do and why the Polkadot system is the ecosystem that I will be putting most of my portfolio in for the coming months, weeks. As you guys all know, Polkadot 2.0 is coming out this year, and do some research about that, but I'm not going into a lot of fundamental things. Do your own research. There's a lot on X, there's a lot on YouTube, there's a lot on Cointelegraph explaining you why Polkadot is going into a lot of new things this year. So I'm going more into the technicals, and you guys know me, I like to buy blood and I don't like to chase the FOMO. So like now, there are a lot of AI coins going bananas. Well, in my top 10 coins, they're doing really great, like GRT, like Ocean, like Chelo is doing great, Flux has been doing great. The only ones that are laying a bit behind are the Polkadot coins, and I'm gonna explain you guys why I'm so bullish on Polkadot. It's not only because of their new Polkadot 2.0. No, it's more about the thesis, how markets work in crypto. Money flows from a hype to another hype. So we've got now the AI hype, we've got the meme coin hype again, and in my opinion, the best moment to focus on what coins to buy is when the FOMO is on another side, because when the FOMO already hits in at a certain point, it means that whales are focusing on the ones that didn't pump yet. It's just how it works. So they like to buy low and sell high. It's just how the whole market works. Not only in crypto, in the whole economic system, it works like that. You buy low, you sell high. So when prices are very high, that's when you have to focus on the ones that are bleeding or didn't take off yet. The biggest gains are made over there. So for me, that's Polkadot. Polkadot, fundamentally, they're doing even better than most of the coins that are pumping right now. But the price action isn't showing. Is that a reason to say, well, wait a minute, Polkadot isn't doing good, the volume is very low on Polkadot and the whole ecosystem, so we shouldn't be focusing on that. So it's a dead project. No, Polkadot is definitely not a dead project. Polkadot needs the momentum, and when it needs the momentum, we have to be in there before they take off. You can either buy it when they already pumped 100, 200, 300%, or you can buy them before they take off. And I think, in my opinion, that Polkadot is an ecosystem where we are at the range of buying in now. And buying in now, there is, it can fluctuate. I think fluctuate in English, the right word is. It can go maybe 20, 30, 40% down. It can go up, but it doesn't matter. Just DCA buy, DCA buy, DCA buy. Because Bitcoin, let me put on Bitcoin to give you guys a thought. Bitcoin is now at very, very, very risky ranges. But the thing about Bitcoin is, how is it going to hold? So the retracement, where is the support going to be? Because at some point this thing will come down. That's something I'm almost 100% for sure. So it will come down. So the indicator is the one that's going to help me to find out where to buy in, and hoping that it will hold. But with all the FOMO going on, I like to buy the blood. And when you buy altcoins, and we're going into those altcoins in a minute, but just to understand the thesis. So for me, the Bitcoin has to come down at least at the 54 to 52 regions. And when that happens, risk rewarded, that's when I will be deploying a lot of money into the Polkadot ecosystem. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to explain you guys what I'm going to do, how I'm going to do it, and what I'm going to do exactly. So keep this in mind. So first of all, you have to keep in mind that we need to come back to the 54, 52 regions on Bitcoin first. We need to come back, make a healthy correction, let all that FOMO money get flushed out, all those FOMO longs get liquidated, because there has been a lot of shorts getting liquidated on the rise up. So at some point the wheels will start to liquidate the shorts. And if we can get back to this indicator and Bitcoin starts ranging over here and maybe going to try to break the new all-time high, that's when we will make the biggest gains in the Polkadot ecosystem, in my opinion. So that's about Bitcoin. Let's jump into Polkadot so we can see very good what's going on here. Let me put it on the weekly first of all. As you guys can see, we were over here and then we broke the indicator. We came back, we retested it perfectly. By the way, guys, anyone that is watching this vid, first of all, push on the like, please. Leave your favorite Polkadot ecosystem project as a comment below, or any comment for the algorithm. Help me please grow and reach more retailers that are getting wrecked by daily basis. So please help me for that. And for the ones that are eyeing this indicator and asking themselves, what is this? This is the best indicator, free indicator in the market. So it's free. You don't have to pay nothing for this indicator. It's free. To get it, you have to get into the private. It's also a free private group. The only requirements that the team is applying is that you have to be trading on weeks. We're very bullish on weeks. Weeks, by the way, guys, the native token is getting very close. I'm very bullish on that, and I will share a lot about that. So weeks, I'm very bullish. Weeks, you can trade in the USA, Canada, regulated, without a VPN, without a KYC. There is a lot of Asian, Korean, Chinese volume over there. If you're trading really high volume cap, they're adding every week a lot of altcoins that are growing. In my opinion, I think weeks will be in the top 5 exchanges. It's a matter of a year or 2 years, and they will be there. And well, I want to be there, just like when Binance released the BNB token and it made like 100, 200, 300x. I don't know what it is. Just like Maxi, their native token, made a 100x. I want to be there when Weeks will release their native token. I want to be in, and I want to be a long-term holder. And as you guys know, I'm no long-term holder, but I've done some research on Weeks, and I want to risk my money over there, buy a big chunk of Weeks tokens and just hold them, and well, for a minimum of a 100x, just like all the other exchanges did. So that's why I'm very bullish on Weeks. The links are below. If you want to join and trade on Weeks, you will get access, free access to the private group where the trading setups, educational vids will be shared, etc., etc. And maybe most important of all, you'll get this free indicator for free. So you'll get the code, you can paste it, and there it goes. So for now, Polkadot, as you guys can see, we've got some resistance over here. We tested it here, over here, 9.6, and it's retesting this one. Is this bullish at this moment? In my opinion, not. I don't think that it's bullish at this moment, or it just has to fly up. But this is a double top in my opinion. So if you break up, it invalidates the double top. If you break the $10.4, then well, that's when the FOMO will hit in on Polkadot, and that's when Polkadot, there is not a lot of resistance over here, guys. So if we can break this range over here, the 10.4, and if it comes up here, then it's just a matter of time, and we will get to $16 and then go to $20, $25, etc. So this is the Polkadot. Polkadot is really range. So but now what I'm trying to explain is this: trading wise, if this thing breaks up, I will be in and I will be trade the shit out of this one. But the thing that I'm trying to explain here is we went up, we retested the indicator. So this would be, by the way, terrific entry for the ones that took it. You're already almost in on a 1x in a matter of 4 weeks. But now if we come down and come retest this range again, so this range of $6, between the 6 and the 7, so this range over here, and it would be perfectly coming also into the support back and the indicator at the same time. So if Bitcoin decides to go where we are, just like I explained, and comes back, if this is where I will be bullish on Polkadot, and I think that it's a matter of time, and we will pump it up and go above it. Let me show you guys Polkadot Bitcoin. This is, guys, why I'm so super bullish on Polkadot. Let's look at it. Polkadot versus Bitcoin. It's you see, we tried to break up over here, and I've traded this when it went up, and then we came back, and then we retested this one. This is a double bottom. So this over here, if Bitcoin decides to drop, I don't think that the Bitcoin pair will also drop back to these levels. I really don't think so. I think that this thing will break up. You see, I've set 2 alarms over here for this. This is very important. This is now on the high time frame, so I will chart it on the short on the lower time frames to see where the price action is going. You can even see a pattern over here. You can make some nice TA over this one. But as you can see, we bottomed out over here. We bounced up, came back, retested this, found some support over here, and we're bouncing back again. And guys, this is what it's guys, you know, this is no financial advice. I'm just showing you what the charts are showing us. These are the coins. This is the ecosystem that I want to buy, because it didn't even start to ramp up. It didn't even start to go up. This thing is so super wrecked, and it shouldn't be wrecked like this. So look at this. Look at this. Look where it is. Look where it is. Let me put it even on the monthly. Maybe you're gonna see it better. Look at this. Look at this at the monthly, guys. This thing is, this is Polkadot. This is not some kind of shit coin that is going to rock you, whatever. This is Polkadot. This is one of the maybe for sure the top 5 ecosystems in the world in crypto. Look where it is. This is where you have to be bullish. These are the charts where you have to be bullish. And I know there are a lot of projects out there, well, this, that, and they're all already pumped up like 4, 5, 6, 10x, 20x, 30x. I'm not saying that those projects can't go up even more. I'm not saying that. But if you buy in at those levels, when we get a dump, you will lose a lot of money. If Polkadot will dump, it didn't pump yet, so the dumps will also be smaller. So it's, I'm a defense trader. I'm a safe, protect capital, safe trader. I'm a defense trader. So when I'm safe trading, when I'm going to risk my money to buy into something, it has to be wrecked. Because when it dumps, it doesn't dump so much. And if it bounces, it will bounce very strong. Because it didn't pump yet. Understand this thesis, please, guys. If you don't care about your money, you want to follow the FOMO, go follow the FOMO. Because I've been checking today some YouTube vids, what is going on, and the thing that irritates me the most is that people, these influencers, when coins already made like a 10x, 20x, 30x, they already pumped like in like a week 200, 300, 400%, that's when they start making vids about those coins. It's too late. I'm not saying that they can't go up even more, but it's risky, and the probabilities that they will have a healthy correction is very big. And I understand why these influencers make those vids about those coins, because they want to get engagement and viewers. Because when, like for example, Fetch AI is at this moment very popular, he has to make a vid about Fetch AI, because a lot of people, when they're seeing Fetch AI pumping, what they will do, they go to YouTube and they're gonna look for Fetch AI, what's going on, and then they will get to those vids, and that's how those guys get those views. But they don't care about you, that the risk is very high that you're probably going to get wrecked buying in at higher levels. They will not show you the coins that are bleeding, just like I was doing past weeks. I've been showing you guys maybe like 30, 40 coins that were at bottom ranges, just like Jasmine, like Cody, like there were a lot of them, and all those took off. And when they took off, that's when they started to make vids about Cody. They were making vids about Flux, making vids about Chelo, making vids about. It's too late by then. I'm not saying too late, that we're still early in the bull market and the altcoin season will probably ramp up, but you already missed the 3, 4, 5x. I'm showing you the coins that didn't ramp up yet. So it's your own choice. It's your own choice what to watch, what to do. So Polkadot Bitcoin, this Polkadot Bitcoin. Another one that I'm very interested in to show you guys. I've already shared this. Polkadot against ETH. Polkadot against ETH is already wrecked. But we've got now the ETH spot ETF going on, and ETH will gain some momentum. ETH is already pumping, just like shared. But what I'm seeing is we're reaching really bottom. So, and I'm also seeing that Polkadot, although the spot ETF is coming and the ETH narrative is pumping like crazy, it's gaining, it's fighting back. So these wheels, what they are doing is, although ETH is very, very, very bullish at this moment, they still holding their ETH against Polkadot. So they're saying, wait a minute, we're at bottom ranges. So people are flipping ETH to Polkadot. Or it's, oh my God, there's noise over here. So it's, wait a minute, let me close the window. So Polkadot ETH, what you're seeing here is that certain whales, because I think these are whales, not retailers, they're flipping their ETH to Polkadot. Something to think about. Why? If ETH is going to the moon, and I think that ETH is very bullish when the institutions will get into ETH, etc. But although, look at this green candle. Let me put it on the daily. Look at this green candle. It's trying to break up even above the indicator against ETH. So these are people holding ETH, flipping their ETH to Polkadot. A very, very bullish sign, guys. Very bullish sign. Okay, so enough about Polkadot. This is Polkadot. This is for the people that have a lot of money and they can buy Polkadot, etc. And now we're going into the people that don't have a lot of money, the degens, and they want to make the biggest gains. So Polkadot, fine, very good for you guys, but we need the altcoins to buy when Polkadot will start flying. Because when Polkadot starts flying, the altcoins of Polkadot will fly even harder. And those are the ones that we're going to talk about. Okay, number one, it will be no surprise to anyone, GLMR. GLMR is, in my opinion, at this moment, the most underrated altcoin in crypto. I think that based on the fundamentals of GLMR, it's the most underrated altcoin in crypto, because all the other ones already made a nice run and GLMR is staying behind. It's not doing anything, and this is making me even more bullish on GLMR, because when this thing will start to ramp up, nothing is going to stop it. Nothing. The longer you see that this thing will keep staying, because you see we had this rise, we came back, and a lot of other altcoins already pumped like crazy, and GLMR is just calm down, calm down, calm down. They're gearing up. The fuel is getting in for the launch to come, and that's my opinion. The only thing that we need is Bitcoin to go up and to make a nice rise up, and Polkadot to make its breakout against Bitcoin, and that's when GLMR will fly. So I'm super bullish on GLMR, and I will be buying every freaking dip from the day of today. So every dip of GLMR, I will be buying it. So guys, I'm gonna show you everything. This is against Bitcoin, and every dip. If this thing comes back here, let me put an alarm live with you guys. This I will buy every freaking dip of GLMR, especially if Bitcoin makes that dump back to the 54, 52, just like explained. I will start buying a lot of GLMR. I'm not interested in all those AI coins. I've got spot backs for my top 10 that I shared. They're doing great, making nice gains, etc. I will start flipping a lot of spot backs that are in gains, flipping them to GLMR, because that's how it works in crypto. Like for example, Flux, you made a 1x, a 2x, a 3x. take some off, put it in GLMI. You bought some Ocean made a nice 2x, 3x, take some off, put it in GLMI. You made like Cody, you make like a 4, 5, 6, 7, 10x, just like happened the past weeks. Let me take a chunk off out of there and put it in GLMI. This is how it works in crypto. If you want to get rich in crypto, if you want to be financially independent, don't get stuck on one project. Follow the money. When you make a nice rise up, take some off, buy the one that didn't take off yet. The same thing again and again. That one took off, made nice gains, take a little bit out of there, put it in a one that didn't pump yet. That's how it works. That's how you build your portfolio. That's how you build your wealth. This is how you will get financially independent, because you're growing. It's like a snowball effect. You're growing and you're following the money from project to project, etc. So that's GLMI. Let me go to the USDT chart. So the USDT chart, I've made this one. We had here, this is a sort of inverted head and shoulder over here, and it's looking great, and then it took off. This is the target of that move up, but there is no power, there's no volume, there's no power, it's not showing a lot of strength. So the next level, very, very important level to watch, is the 65 cents. We're now at 49. This is a very important level to watch, but I want to buy, I want Bitcoin to make that correction, for this thing to come back into this box, 30 cents, 32 cents, whatever. I will be buying a lot of GLMI. I will be buying a lot of GLMI. And guys, when I'm saying I will be buying a lot of GLMI, it doesn't mean that this is the bottom. Maybe we'll come even to the bottom of this box at 26. The lower it goes, the more I buy. Guys, you guys go me. I'm maybe the most realistic guy out there. I will never tell you. I'm FOMO. I don't know what FOMO is. When I'm bullish on a coin, you know what happens next. I'm bullish on a coin. So if this thing comes back, I really hope so that Bitcoin makes a correction, a dump. We need that dump. And if it comes back, and if you are so bullish on, just buy TCA in 43 cents, whatever. The lower, every correction, every dump, just like this one. This was a beautiful 39 cents. Buy a little bit, buy a little. And on the bounces, you can maybe sell over here and wait for it to come back and then buy more. But guys, GLMI, I will be buying a lot of GLMI. So this is about GLMI. I think I'm very clear about GLMI. Okay, let me go to the next. This thing already pumped a bit today, and well, as you guys can see, go away. Acala, guys, Acala is also, just look at it, guys. Look at this. I already talked about this. We talked about this when we were over here, I think. Yes, it already made an announcement, and as you guys can see, it's trying to break out over here. Acala, the next target is over here. Guys, this thing can pump very hard, very fast. Acala, this is against Bitcoin. Acala against the USDT. As you guys can see, it's pumping now. It's pumping 130 million market cap, 38 million volume. Is a decent, very nice volume going on. So Acala is already ramping up here. And well, as you guys can see, we broke the Indy over here. We came back. We retested it nicely and offstream, because these moves look very small, but they are big, because look at this, guys. From here to here, how much is this? Is you just doubled your money over here. You just doubled your money in what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks. You doubled your money. You just doubled your money. If you trade the indicator up, wait for it to come, retest, doubled your money. It's guys, these coins, you don't read a lot about them, you don't see a lot about them, but these coins are really, look at it, it's going bananas today. So guys, this is Acala, same over here. Acala, one of the ones that I'm very bullish on. Just put an alarm over here if it comes back. Let me get it on the daily also when it comes back to the indicator. Let's see. So I will be accumulating Acala also. Acala is my second coin to buy on the ecosystem that I'm bullish on. Let me go to the third one. Fala network. Fala network is showing some strength, and as you guys can see, it's also 107 million market cap. It's really madness. And this thing, it's the same over here. It's just taking off. So again, same for Akala. I'll put on an alarm over here. So if we will get that dump, I'll buy it in. If this thing breaks up and just goes to the moon, I will be probably trading it, because look at Fala network, guys. This thing is also so wrecked. It's trying to ramp up. So, but I'm not buying Fala for now. I'm waiting for it to retrace. It needs to retrace. Let's hope we will get that retrace. Maybe we don't get it. Maybe these Polkadot ecosystem projects will just ramp up if the hype gets in. So the next one, another one, 60 million market cap, guys. But the volume is, look at the volume, 150k volume on a 60 million market cap. You could also almost say this is dead. This is dead. But look at this, guys. As these are the gems to watch. These are the gems to watch. This thing. This thing was at 33 bucks. It's now at 60 cents. You tell me. You tell me. Look how wrecked. So these coins, when Polkadot ecosystem will start ramping up, you will see a 10x as nothing. You will see 10x as if it's nothing. So keep an eye on Hydra also, guys. Hydra. It's fighting to get above the indicator. Let me put on my alarm over here. Hydra, guys. Hydra. Look at Hydra. These coins, it's just a matter of time. It's just a matter, just like you're seeing AI coins ramping up, just like you're seeing meme coins going up, just like you're seeing whatever altcoin that are going up. At some point, when Polkadot will start ramping up, these coins will follow. Look at this. This is the minimum range that I'm looking for at this coin is 10 bucks. It's 10 bucks. And what is that? That's a 10x. It's a 15x. A minimum. This is just a minimum. This is a one move up, and there it goes, 15x. Okay, let me go to the next one, Kilt. Even better gem than Hydra. Look at it, 47 million market cap. 47. Look where it was. Look where it was. It was at 13 bucks. It's now 35 cents. So this thing, the same, guys. Kilt. Let me put on this one a target. Let me give you guys a target. Kilt. Well, this is what is it? An 8x, 9x, 8x, 9x. This will go fast. This is an 8, 10x. Look at it. Boom. This is, I'm just giving you conservative targets, guys. I don't want to say, oh, wait a minute, we're going to new all-time highs. Then we will talk about 30, 40, 50, 60x. I'm just talking about very easy, conservative targets just for you guys to make money. We'll make money, we'll break this one, we take our money. It breaks, we jump in again, and we'll make another 10x, 20x, 30x, whatever. So these are the coins that I'm interested in. So it's Kilt, Hydra, Fala, Akala, and GLMR. These are the Polkadot ecosystem coins, and there are coming some new wallets, etc., with the 2.0, etc., etc. So I will give you guys an update when there will be new projects on the Polkadot ecosystem that I'm interested in, some gems to buy. And I'm also looking at the meme coin of Polkadot. What will be the new meme coin of Polkadot? Because if Polkadot is just how the markets work, you guys, you know, I'm against all those meme coins, whatever, but every ecosystem has got a meme coin, and when a Polkadot ecosystem starts ramping up, the meme coin of Polkadot will also go up. Don't ask me why. It's just how the markets work. And so, suppose you've got a portfolio of 10k, put it in 100 or 200 bucks in that meme coin. I will share it soon. I'll do some research and I will share it soon. But you know, you've got a 10k portfolio. Put in 100 bucks, 200 bucks in that meme coin. Whatever. If you lose it, you lose it. Just act as if you went to a restaurant, you ate with your wife and your kids, a nice meal, you came back. Don't go to the restaurant this time. Buy the meme coin. Maybe that meme coin will give you, with 100 bucks, will give you 10k, 20k, 30k. You just don't know. These meme coins are crazy. When they go up like crazy. So that's how to, don't go all in or to go with big money. No, just use small amounts. Another one that's very, very, very Polkadot related is A star. But A star, you guys know me. I think that A star will break new all-time high and make even bigger highs. I think that A star will go bananas. If Polkadot ecosystem start ramping up, I think that A star will go bananas. But I don't like to buy coins that are already pumped. So over here, this thing already did a 4x. So I'm interested in this one. And I'm interested in this one. And I'm interested in, not so much in this one. And this one. That's how I see it. And I'm not saying that A star will, if Polkadot will go up, A star will go banana. So okay, so let me just give you guys, because if you just like to buy A star, because it's a very, very good project, by the way, A star. These are the ranges. The indicator is very simple indicator, and it's not only the indicator, we've got also this support line over here. So if A star will come back to the 12 cents regions, you can buy some A star, because A star, guys, it's got a good community, and it's really, I'm seeing something. We got this double bottom, come up, come down. Now I'm seeing something like, if this thing will come back, it would be a cup and handle. You have to see it like this, you've got something like this, you've got this, it's like this, and then maybe do something, the handle over here, and then we've got the neckline, and then kaboom, and off she went. So this is how I'm seeing the chart at this moment. So call me crazy or call me whatever, but that's just how I see it. So A star at 12 cents, 11 cents, maybe even, yeah, at this range over here, A star would be a nice scoop over here, because if A star will probably be one of the best performing projects on the Polkadot ecosystem, but it doesn't mean it will be the best one to make the biggest gains, because the biggest gains are the ones that are looking like this. And that's something that a lot of people don't seem to understand. It doesn't matter how great or how good a project is. If I will start buying over here, and I've got a 10x over here, A star needs to do, A star needs for a 10x, A star needs to be at $1. It needs to be over here somewhere to do a 10x. You get my feeling? You understand what I'm saying? There's another one, Trek. Trek is getting shielded by some influencers, and let me just say, not interested. I'm just not. Listen, guys, when a chart looks like this, I am not interested. Not saying that it couldn't go up, it could go even up more. But why? Retailers. Push those likes, please. Push those likes, because what I'm going to tell you now is maybe the most important thing in trading and investing. Don't buy charts that look like this. Buy charts that look like this, or this, or this, or this. Buy charts that look like this. Don't buy a chart that looks like this. And again, this thing could even make another 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x. I don't care. It's risky because it already pumped like crazy, and when it comes back it will dump hard. So if you will buy in over here and this thing decides to dump, or Bitcoin maybe wants to dump back to 40, 30, 20k, you will get totally wrecked. This thing will come back over here and you will be in massive 80-90% losses. But if Bitcoin decides to drop to 20, 30, 40k, and you have bought in on Kilt over here, how much lower could it go? How much lower could it go? At some point there are no sellers over here, only buyers. There are no sellers. But over here there are a lot of sellers, because the buyers are maybe over here or over here. So there are no buyers. There are a lot of sellers and no buyers. But over here there are no sellers and there are a lot of buyers. So understand the thesis. You understand what I'm showing you here? Push that like, please, if you like this content. Push that like. I'm showing you how the money flows. I'm showing you the mindset, how to make the biggest gains. Focus, please. Focus. focus. So guys, I want to thank you for watching. I think that this video is very important to a lot of people, a lot of retailers, especially the uneducated ones. Guys, that have been asking me again about the private group. The private group is free. Everything is free. The only requirements from the team is that you trade on weeks. And I'm very, very bullish on weeks. I'm super bullish on weeks. And or maxi. So the links are both below, and if you want to join the free, it's free. So the only thing that you have to do, you have to be trading on weeks or maxi instead of whatever exchange you're trading out there. So it's just a matter of opening an account. In 2 minutes you can flip some money to that account and you're trading there. What you're trading, how you're trading, why you're trading, that's your own business. And because of that, you will get free access to the private group with all the alpha trade setups, what the team is doing, shorting, longing, trading course vids, explaining funding rates, leverage trading vids. You get the free molecular indicator. It's your own choice. Have a nice one and bye-bye.